Kusuke izidubedube phakathi kwamaphoyisa nezakhamuzi bezibhikisha ngaphandle kwamahhovisi womasipala waseKapa ngesikhathi lezi zakhamuzi zizokwethula uhlu lwezikhalo zazo. Phakathi kwalezo zikhalo kukhona nesomtholampilo okubikwa ukuthi awukwazi ukumumatha abantu abaningi.
So zikliniki incinci ifuna uvulwa. And lamatyotyomba ngapha ngawo lathatha umhlaba wekliniki. Into eyayithethiwe kudala. And ikhutshiwe nemali yayo kuba mayivulwe ikliniki kodwa still now.
Esinye sezakhamuzi ezinokukhubazeka sithi sesithembile kwabanye abantu ukuze siphile. Ezinye zezinselele abhekane nazo ukungakwazi ukusebenzisa indlu yangasese njengoba esebenzisa isihlalo esinamasondo nokwenza egcina esezikhulula ebhakedeni.
Noba mhlawumbe ndityabukile because umuntu diabetic unendawo once ubeka amanzi lapho kuba buhlungu. So ngasendifumana amanzi every day but andikwazi apho le ndawo ndihlala kuyo. Ndineswekile ne-high blood, ndinento yonke nje, ne-arthritis, ndingakwazi ukuhlamba. Njengangoku andikwazi uhlamba washing funeka ndicinge umuntu.
Uhlu lwezikhalo lwemukelwe ovela ehhovisini likaNdunankulu.
But the valid issues that they've raised, and certainly the Premier have asked me to come and accept their demands, which I'll table with him. I'm seeing him tomorrow, the full day, the Budget Committee, and I will share all these concerns with the Premier, and I know he will share the same with the Mayor of Cape Town as well.
Lezi zakhamuzi zithi zizoqhubeka nokubhikisha uma izikhalo zazo zishaywa indiva.